In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method on Shopify. Whether you're looking to switch payment methods, close your store, or simply reassess your subscription strategy, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the bottom left corner where you'll find the Settings option. Click on it to access a variety of customizable store features. The Settings section is a central hub for your store's operations, allowing you to tailor every aspect of your business according to your needs. After accessing the settings, your next move is to click on the Plan tab. This section is important because it's where Shopify manages the specifics of your subscription and various payment options. By modifying your plan settings, you're able to make necessary adjustments to your billing preferences and associated payment methods. This feature offers flexibility and control over how you run your store. With the plan page open, locate the Change Plan button. Clicking this will bring you to a menu where you can explore different Shopify plans. Changing your plan is straightforward, and it aligns the features available with the current aspirations you have for your business, whether that's upgrading for more features or downgrading to save on costs. Now, to directly address the removal of your payment method, your focus should shift to the Cancel Plan option. This action is pivotal as it automatically facilitates the removal of your payment method alongside the cancellation of the plan. However, it's crucial to remember that canceling your plan means your store will no longer be active unless you select a new plan. When you click Cancel Plan, you should understand the ramifications, chiefly that your store's operations will pause, and a reintegration process will be necessary should you wish to resume your store activity in the future. It's wise to consider any data backup needs before proceeding, as once the plan is canceled, you might lose access to certain analytics or store data. Depending on your reasons for removing the payment method, this could range from moving to another platform, revising financial strategies, or simply pausing operations temporarily. To conclude, understanding the implications of each step not only ensures a smooth transaction, but also aligns your business's operational direction with your financial management strategy. If you're uncertain about this decision, take a moment to review the financial commitments and operational strategies you have in place. Once you're ready, proceed with confidence, knowing you have taken control of your Shopify store's financial framework. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in assisting you with managing your Shopify account effectively.